Alright, today I'm going to show you a couple of tips on installing your front bushes on your Ford Territory all-wheel drive. Now, one thing you need to always make sure is you always support your car with the jack stand while the wheel is off. Now, in this kit comes an instruction sheet and step-by-steps on how to do the job. To complete this job you will need an air hacksaw, a rattle gun, an 18 and 19mm socket, an 18mm spanner, and a decent sized lever. In doing this job you do not need to remove the diff to actually replace these bushes. So when they've taken the 3 bolts out of the diff will actually sit down and move out of the way enough so you can cut through these bushes here. So this is the old bush that we've run before. You need to make sure you try and cut them into 2 pieces. The 2 pieces will make it a lot easier for you to remove the bush without removing the diff. So once you removed your old bush, you need to make sure the area where the new bush is going is nice and clean. Inside the kit also comes with the mounting of the bushes. It's very important to follow this. You'll notice on the bushes they have little outlets. You need to follow that per the instructions. So when removing the old bush, you're going to get the air hacksaw and just remove the rubber so you can remove the insert, and then you want to make 2 cuts down and up so the bush will split into 2 pieces. When cutting the bush you need to make sure you only just cut through the bush on itself and not into the housing of the bush. So when installing the bushes, follow the instructions on mounting and also use the bush lubricant inside. Now you want to lube also in the inside here where this sleeve will actually slide and sit into. So when mounting the new bush you need to make sure inside this housing is nice and clean so it's not going to burr or cut the new bush, and always do your bolts up to manufacturer specifications. Inside this Polytough kit you'll receive 4 bushes for the front diff, the front and the rear sleeves, and 5 washers and also the lubricant. This bush is available at onlineautoparts.com.au.